Hello students, in this video we will discuss about linear inequalities. This is the 6th chapter of class 11th Maths NCERT. In this chapter we will study about linear inequality. What is the linear inequalities? Before the discussing this topic, we will study about linear equation. Since linear equation is very familiar word and we are familiar with linear equation from junior classes. Now first we try to understand what is the linear equation. As you know that relation between number or variables which is related to plus, minus, into, division and equal to sign. This type of relation is known as linear equation. As like x plus 4 equal to 5. This is a linear equation in one variable. Or only x equal to 5, or only x equal to 2, or only x equal to 0. These are all linear equations in one variables. Now on the behalf of this, we can explain, try to explain what is the linear inequalities. In the linear equation, you can see here, equal to sign come must. That means if in any relation equal to sign are not given, then this is not equation. On the same way, if we try to explain what is the linear inequalities, if we remove the equal to sign from each linear equations and on the place of equal to sign, if we put or replace equal to sign by greater than sign or less than sign or equal greater than or equal to sign or less than equal to sign or not equal to sign, if out of this sign any sign placed on the place of equal to sign, then this type of relation, that means that linear equation is known as linear inequalities. For example, x plus 4 less than 5. If we change this like this, x plus 4 equal to 5, but on the place of this, if we write x plus 4 is less than 5 or x is greater than 5 or x is greater than or equal to 2 or x is less than or equal to 0. These type of relations is known as linear inequalities. Now, what is the actual mathematical definition of the linear inequalities? Since if you want to write here definition of linear inequalities, linear equality, two real numbers or algebraic expressions related by less than, greater than, less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, then that relations is known as or are known as linear inequalities. Linear inequality, that means two real numbers, that means any two numbers Real numbers means, for example, 3 less than 5. There are 3 and 5 are real numbers. That means two real numbers are algebraic expression. Algebraic expression means number and variable quantity comes together, or algebraic expressions related by these signs, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to, then that relations are known as linear inequalities. That is 3 less than 5, x is greater than 2, x plus 3 less than or equal to 9, etc. These type of relations are known as linear inequalities. Now in the next video, we will discuss about type of linear inequalities.